Hey everyone, so I'm just gonna throw this quick video up. Something really special came in the mail and I really wanted to open it. So, this is what it looks like. But what is it? It's a Switch. Yeah, so I bought a Switch. Ooh. So, I don't know, this looks pretty simple. I think this is the Switch. Be careful not to drop it. I think these are the Joy-Cons. And just like cables and shit. Dang. It feels so small. And like, it feels like a little display thing. What? I thought it was not. Oh. Yeah, so that's the Switch. So I guess the backstory behind this is that a lot of my friends have Switches, like a shit ton of them. And then there's a sale going on, and I think it was like my friend could buy it for $260 and normal price is $300. And then that same friend found another deal which is like 75% off through Google Express. So I got it for $75 off, so it was like $225, but then with tax it was like $250. And we had this saying going on in our friend group, which is basically FOMO. And it's like not, our group didn't come up with FOMO obviously, but then like we use it so much. And basically it's just like we don't want to miss out. So even though I don't think I'll have time to play the Switch, I think that that price is just too good to ignore. Even with like future sales and everything, I don't think it would drop down to $225. So yeah, I FOMO'd. But yeah, I'm looking forward to the Switch. I bought a few games, so we'll see how it goes. Alright, so see you in the next video.